You too can write a program like this. Let's enter. So my teacher.ng. Starting port this. So you too can write a program like this. As a cybersecurity professional, as an ethical hacker, you also can write something like this that can help you to automate your processes, or that can help you to automate your work. So, I choose, let's say 20 for example, and scan again. So you too can write something like this. So today we want to learn Python programming, and from the previous video I've explained what Python is all about and what it can be used for. So today I want to dive into Python programming. So if you have installed your IDE, it's just time for you to now launch it. So the first thing we want to do right now is to create a folder let's name the folder so let's create a new folder and call it Python class. So let's call it Python class. And so in this Python class, we'll open our tunnel. We'll make use of tunnel. So we'll open our tunnel and we'll launch it. So our tunnel has been loaded. If you are new, so this is how it will appear. So we have launched our tunnel. So you can save it. Come to this file here. So something is open here. So come to file. We'll save it. Want to save it inside the Python class. Let's call it D1. So now we have so we want to start with Python, and if you're writing Python with IDEs, there are different things that we need to know. First one with the so-called data types. So I want to learn about data types today, and what data types all about, and variables. This is what we want to learn in this. So let's say data type. So let's say let's say Python. We say print. Print function is a function that is used to display something on the terminal. So we say print. When we print it now, you will say